Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting materials and marking a clear workspace. This saves time and prevents mistakes. Lay out 2x4s and a plywood torso template, then measure and mark the central spine and limb attachment points. Once done, pre-cut one core spine and 2 limb blanks to exact lengths. This makes assembly faster and keeps alignment true. Make sure to organize fasteners and tools within reach, so you can move straight into joining without remeasuring or hunting for parts. You'll now assemble the frame. Clamp the spine to the torso piece and drive screws evenly. The glue creates a rigid bond while screws hold under load. Once assembled, fit limbs into sockets and reinforce with metal plates or dowels so they don't twist during strikes. Then add internal weight, sandbags or 510 lb plates, positioned low to lower the center of gravity. After that, stitch or staple the outer fabric skin, making sure seams are tight so the dummy absorbs impact consistently. You finish by smoothing any sharp edges and tensioning the cover so strikes distribute evenly. Small adjustments now save injuries later. Mount the dummy to its base or anchor point and perform incremental strikes, light taps then harder blows so you can spot weak joints. If it wobbles or shifts, add shims, tighten fasteners, or increase internal weight. That's the key troubleshooting step. Finally, recheck all screws after a session and replace worn fabric to maintain safe, predictable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.